Bolida Machinery is a manufacturing enterprise mainly engaged in the production of machinery and equipment. It integrates scientific research and innovation, sales and service, and international trade. Founded in 2017 and based in Jinan, Shandong, China, Bolida Machinery has developed into the group company, a leading manufacturer of everything from individual machines to turnkey system solutions. After 5 years' development and growth, Bolida has made a name for itself of quality and reliability in industrial shredding, biomass pelleting, chipping, crushing, drying, and cooling industry, including main product shredder, wood pellet machine, wood chipper, wood crusher, biomass rotary dryer and cooler, auxiliary equipment, and complete shredder and biomass pellet plant turnkey project. The company also has passed ISO 9001 International Quality Management System and CE certification. At Bolida, we believe that improvement of product quality is always a top priority. Each year, Bolida Machinery will invest 8 to 10% of its sales revenue into R&D, making it possible to expand the product capacity and increase the technology level. The whole processing workshop adopts intelligent processing equipment such as laser cutting machine, CNC processing center, and welding robot to improve the processing accuracy of the equipment and ensure the product quality. There are 5 R&D engineers, among them 3 senior engineers with more than 5 years' experience. We have formed a comprehensive business pattern for project design, new product research, machinery manufacturing, quality inspection, installation and debugging, technical training, and after-sales service.